Hi everyone, welcome to Flourish Food YouTube channel. Today I will show you how to generate barcode in Python in less than a minute. And the first thing we need to do is to install our package, which is the Python barcode library. I'm going to pull up my terminal using Ctrl J, and then I'll say pip install Python barcode. Now because I previously installed it, I'm going to get the requirement already satisfied. As you can see, that is what I'm getting now. Next thing I need to do now is to write a script. Now to do that, I'm going to create a new file inside here and call it barcode gem.py. And now I have my Python file, and then we can write the script. I'm going to say import barcode from barcode imports code 128. Now then I'm going to create a function and say dev keyword generates the function name barcode, and it's going to be a parameterized function, so it's going to take in data. Then I'm going to go to a new line and say the code variable equals to code 128 and takes in data. We go to the new line and then I say code.save. No, say flourish barcode. There's a print barcode generated. Then I break out of the function, or I go out of the function. Now I'm going to create a variable. I'll call it data equals to my variable is going to be the string. I say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now I'm going to call my function and pass in the data into it. I'm going to say generate barcode. I'm going to put data into it. Now I'm going to execute the file. Now I can see that my file is located inside barcode generator. Now you can see I've cd, or I've changed my directory into barcode generator. And the next thing to do is to execute that file by saying Python barcode gem.py. Hit enter. And as you can see, it says barcode generated, and you can see the barcode here. So I'm going to just put this by the side, and you can see we have flourish barcode, which is what I have here, flourish barcode, and then the barcode that's data, the string that I created and saved into the variable. That's what you have here, and that is how I create a barcode in Python. So, and that is it. You just learn how to generate barcodes in Python. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more coding tips from Flourish Food Academy.